we are going to see how to use Google Pay. First of all, we need to know what Google Pay is. Google Pay is a UPI platform which is used for individual peer-to-peer transaction as well as for business transactions. Let's say in the past, if you have to make a fund transfer, then the only way you can do is by having the bank account details and the IFSC code and the person name, all those details. But today, with the evolvement of technology and software platforms, we can easily transfer the funds to the other person or to a business by just having their phone number. UPI transaction is something which works based on phone numbers. So platforms like PhonePe, Google Pay, and Amazon Pay, all these companies are providing UPI based transactions, mobile based transactions, which enables instant fund transfer, so that it will be like hassle free buying for the businesses and hassle free transactions for the individuals also. You can even transfer it to the your friend or your family members or some businesses also. It is very much easier. This functions through apps at the first level. Let's say if you are having a software like Google Pay or Amazon Pay installed in your mobile phone, you can transfer funds to your colleague or your friends or your family members or to businesses, even if they don't have Google Pay. You can do Google Pay to Google Pay transfer, Google Pay to Phone Pay transfer, or Phone Pay to Google Pay transfer, or else Google Pay to bank account also you can transfer. So these kind of activities can be done via Google Pay kind of UPI platforms. So I'll teach you how you can go ahead with fund transfer. I'll just help you with the step-by-step procedure in using Google Pay, and I'll start from the scratch so that you will get to understand how Google Pay can be used in your phone if you are very new to the thing.
In order to use Google Pay, you must have an Android phone or iPhone. I'm using my mobile phone, Android phone, and loading Play Store, and then installing Google Pay from that. Now the installation procedure has almost completed. Now I am opening the application. The Google Pay app in my phone has got launched now. Now you need to enter your phone number here. The number is entered, the email has to be selected, and then you will receive an OTP sent to your mobile number. You have to verify that. Once the OTP verification is complete, you will be asked to set up a lock for your Google Pay, where you can either select a PIN number or else the screen as like you do for the phone. I'm choosing my style, and you can choose your own style of lock patterns or lock system. Once the security setups were done, you will be asked to add a bank account. You can add multiple bank accounts, like either I have four bank accounts, so I'm adding all those things. 4 bank accounts relevant to this mobile number. So if you have 2 bank accounts relevant to your mobile number, then you can add that. Or if you have 10 bank accounts relevant to your phone number, then you can add all those 10 bank accounts. After adding that, you can click on the new payment option, and you can pay to your friends or colleagues or whomever you want. Also, you can select top businesses and pay to them. This Google Pay can also be used for making recharges, or else if you want to do NEFT transfer, you can use Google Pay. Or if you want to pay to gas booking or EB billing, EB bills payments, or all those things, you can make transfers using Google Pay.
So friends, I hope you have understood how to use Google Pay and configure your bank accounts and do fund transfers or make bill payments or pay for businesses or to make NEFT transfers or pay for recharges like TDH or for your mobile phone, something like that. I hope this video was useful to you and would be helpful for you if you are new or if you are already having that app by default with your phone and not aware of how to use that, and this video might be helpful for you. And I thank you once again for watching this video. Keep subscribing the channels to know more about part of everything or the tech side. I'll keep you posted.